Hello, Bladers. Stuck at home during quarantine? No social gatherings or obligations this weekend? You spend more time now at home more than ever. Taking care of your car can surely keep you busy. Here are some tips on what you can do with your car while you're home. Welcome to our daily drive. Everyday tips for everyday drivers. If you are not subscribed yet, you are missing out. Giving your car some love and attention will keep you busy. Keep your car in tip-top shape so they'll be ready and safe to use on your next ride. Here are 5 important tips on what to do with your car while you're home. Number 1. Give your car a good old wash. Since the start of the enhanced quarantine period, many cars have been parked for so long and have been used less frequently. Pick up a bucket and car shampoo and give your car a good bath. It's good for your health. Check out our wide variety of car shampoos and car waxes at blade.ph. Number 2. Check everything. Check how your car is as of the moment. A car that has been left parked and not in use might have some potential issues. After all, it was idle for a good amount of time, so there's a chance that leaking and other similar problems might occur. Issues may arise if you do not properly check, such as air leaking from the tires, battery gunk especially on the terminals, etc. There are even some unique problems typical to a parked car, like an accumulation of bird poop and actual animals living inside your engine bay. Number 3. Start it up. At least try to start your car up and keep it in park as a way of ensuring the health of your vehicle during these no-drive times. The last thing you need is a dead battery when you need your car for emergencies. Number 4. Engine and interior detailing. Everyone loves a clean interior, and all car guys will appreciate a spick and span engine bay. As such, we also recommend detailing those parts of your car. Best to have a thorough cleaning for the interior of the car. You never know what you might find hidden under those mats or engines. Lastly, number 5. Bumper-to-bumper check. Giving the exterior of your car a thorough bumper-to-bumper check is also a good idea. You'll spot some problem areas that will need addressing when this quarantine is over, and you might even find some unique design quirks that'll renew your interest in your car model. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss anything? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better.